Hey, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. This message is more entrepreneurial oriented. So it is said you gotta be structured, very constructive, very progressive, quick to respond. Okay? In every situation that you find yourself at daily, for example, when you are networking and engaging with other people on social media, for example, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, right? You gotta be so committed and focused that nothing distracts you, and when people respond to you that they are not the right fit and that things like that, you don't get overwhelmed, but you continue progressing and play the numbers game, and you are so strict and sharp that you always know to decide what's the right option to do at that certain point, the right decision to make to continue pushing people down down your sales funnel, down your sales process, either to ask somebody to join your Facebook group, or ask somebody to go with you on a call, ask somebody to go with you on a call with a purpose that you get to know them a little bit more only, and find the networking possibilities. Ask somebody to go on a call with you with a thought in mind that you have a potential solution for them and you can help them. All right, so you gotta be like very structured and organized which way somebody fits, okay, and what you will do with that person. And then when you get people on a call, you gotta be very polite, very organized, very communicative. You gotta tell them what's your expectations, why they are here with you, how can you find possible ways to collaborate, and potentially at the end of those calls, after you qualify the person and see which bucket does he or she fit in, then you have to exactly know and tell them if they're the right fit to work with you or not, okay, and send them into the right direction, okay? So you gotta be also able to ask people to begin working with you, or ask them the decision-making questions. Are you ready for this? What do you think about this? How would that go if we start? And all these kind of similar things, okay? So that was like more entrepreneurial message for you right now. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up to start your day right, and I will see you in the next video, and have a great one.